Hey guys, this is Kevin Shabbat. It is January 1st, 2019, and I just wanted to do this video because my wife and I made a few resolutions that we want to carry on into the year of 2019 and beyond. We've made resolutions to be healthier, be the better versions of ourselves, and to implement better nutrition into our daily health regimen, etc. And as you see here on the table, there are a variety of vitamins, nutritional supplements, etc. To name a few, here is Juice Plus. Juice Plus is I'd say it's a pretty good, reputable company with I'd say a pretty darn good nutritional supplement line. And this is what we're taking. You know, we do a lot of research. We make sure we put the best stuff in our body. At least we try to. And there are a lot of different supplements here on the table, and the reason why they're on the table is because I wanted to show you guys how many supplements, people in general. I mean, it really doesn't matter who you know, what people talk about. Rest assured, they're most likely taking some type of supplements because nutrition it's definitely something that you want to be putting into your life and into your health, because there's not a lot of things today that are available. I mean, you can eat healthy, exercise, stay properly hydrated, etc. But today it's just a lot harder than it was a few hundred years ago, a couple thousand years ago. The soil that grows our food has been depleted, and just a lot of different minerals and things that were essential to our health are, we're not really getting through our food anymore. So of course, we use supplements, vitamins, and nutrition to try to fill that gap. Well, something has recently come to our attention, and it's pretty mind-blowing. I don't even know where to start with this, but long story short, something has come to our attention, and we decided to go through with it. And so all of these supplements that you see here, all of the money and time and just guessing of just like wondering what we're going to be trying to put into our body, what we're supplementing, what we're putting, it gets confusing, and it can actually get quite expensive. So all of these are now going to be replaced with with literally one thing, something that my wife and I have just ordered. And it's something that we pretty much want to tell the world about because it's an incredible thing that I feel everybody needs to implement into their lives as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you what it is. And it's this box right here. I'm going to move all these things back and try to get these out of the way. It's a company called Üforia, and it says, "Being you never felt better." And Uforia is the only company in the world that analyzes your DNA, 18 DNA markers, and I'm sure they're going to be adding a few in the near future. And they take your DNA, they do a saliva swab, and they analyze your DNA, and then they create a nutrition that's specifically designed for you, inspired by your DNA. So I'm just going to open up this box. By the way, look at this knife my wife got me for Christmas. Pretty cool. Has my name on it. Pretty awesome. Alright, so I'm going to cut this box open. And I'm going to show you what's inside. Alright, so I just got a whole bunch of these kits because I want to be able to give them away. I want to be able to share this with my friends and family. And this is what a kit looks like. Okay, so there's 10 of these. I ordered 10. All you need is one for you. But I ordered 10 because I wanted to be able to share what this is. So, as you can see, this is the box. I hope the lighting's good. Being you never felt better. Okay, and this box has a barcode on it, and this is for you. Whoever activates a box is going to be able to send it in to the lab. They analyze it, they look for something called SNPs. SNPs, SNPs, stands for single nucleotide polymorphisms. Look that up, Google it, do whatever you got to do. I'm going to push this away. So that box right there is just full of these, right? But you only need one. I got some because I want to share with my friends and family. So I'm going to open this up and show you inside. Alright, so inside, it's pretty cool. It has something called Pretrition. Pretrition inside. Includes free DNA test kit. So, you know, you're already familiar with Ancestry.com, 23andMe, right? And I know the glare, it's kind of hard with the glare, but it's just beautiful packaging. And, yeah, this is incredible. It says, let's create your own formula. So pretty much there's instructions inside. And comes a box where you, it's the swab, it's the cleanse. This is actually the cleanse system. So while you're waiting for your unique formula to arrive, this is what you're going to be putting into your body. This is Pretrition, and this pretty much just gets you ready and primes your body for your Utrition. So it's a very gentle cleanse, so it's really good. And inside of the box, I think it's exclusive to the new year, or the company that's in pre-launch. It's a discount coupon, and you save $100, and this is a one-time thing for your labs. You'll never have to do this again. And it comes with your swab sticks, and it just gives you step-by-step instructions. Here's a cool envelope. So I want to make this video short. I don't want to drag this on too much. This is what we're replacing our vitamins and supplements with. This is Uforia, and yeah, it's an amazing company. It's brand new, but it's not a startup. It's 20 years in the making. So yeah, this is incredible, guys. More to come. Stay tuned.